Already that the ages, that time what angels.
Angel.
I sit and wait. There's an angel contemplate my fate. And do they know the places where we go when we're gray and old? 'Cause I've been told that salvation lets the wings unfold. So when I'm lying in my bed, thoughts running through my head, and I feel the love is dead, I'm loving angels instead. And through it all, she offers me protection, a lot of love and affection, whether I'm right or wrong. And down the waterfall, wherever it may take me, I know the love won't break me when I come to call. She won't forsake me. I'm loving angels instead. When I'm feeling weak and my pain was down a one-way street, I'll look above, and I know I'll always be blessed with love. And as the feeling grows, she brings flesh to my bones, and real love is dead. I'm loving angels instead. And through it all, she offers me protection, a lot of love and affection, whether I'm right or wrong. And down the waterfall, wherever it may take me, I know the love won't break me when I come to call. She won't forsake me. I'm loving angels instead. Guitar! And through it all, she offers me protection, a lot of love and affection, whether I'm right or wrong. And down the waterfall, wherever it may take me, I know the love won't break me when I come to call. She won't forsake me. I'm loving angels instead.